This tutorial is about how you can solve the problem of battery remain 0%, not charging, and even charging indication also not shown. Keep watching these videos till the end to know the process easily. Don't skip the video, important part may be missed. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and welcome back to another videos. While you insert charger, no any response. And when go to setting and check the battery, here you can see the status of the battery is on service state and no any battery data source. While we insert charger shows 0% remaining. Power off phone before doing any hardware job. Someone already do some job on that cases. The customer tells us that someone tried to replace battery and such fault appears. This fault appears while you change battery or change display. Many users ask a question about after remove the display then such issues appears on iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. So here is the solution. This problem occurs while you try to screw that point, long screwdriver or slip sorry. Okay. Yes. This model have same issues on battery connector. Some mistake while insert connector or third-party battery makes damage the connector or the way of BSI broken. Battery have 2.4 BSI connection. One is STA connection and other is SCL connection. Here, when the pin of the Q3200 has one pin broken that directly connect to battery SDA connection. Here I make a one jumper per track from battery connector to Q3200. I am here use Q3200 from donor board. If you visit us first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notification whenever we share a new videos. If you face any issue in this process, then do let us know in the comment section below and we will try to help you as soon as we can. Now battery charging shows. After the repair, here you can see the battery capacity to 93%. Firstly shows the same battery as service. This is Akash and peace out till the next time.